Singer George Nooks claims he's been set up. This after police say they found cocaine in his car.
When you have trouble.
George Nooks, how you doing?
I'm good, you know.
God is standing by?
Every time.
Just remember that God is standing by.
Fans of George Nooks likely shocked at the news he'd been arrested and charged for possession of cocaine. But the God is standing by singer told ER he's innocent.
Some officers came to my car, I was in my car, and they asked me to exit, you know, so they could search, and they did what they had to do, and what happened after, I don't know. I got arrested, and this is what it is, and I just have to deal with it. I'm just living in a nightmare, trying to wake up, you know, but this is life, and we go through bumps and bruises, and this is one of them. Obstacle come in your way, and you just know that God will be always there for you, and it will play itself out through the court, and I'll be free, mark my word. And I'm innocent of all charges, and this is not in line with my Christian belief and lifestyle.
Your ship has lost anchor.
Nooks later telling ER he'd been set up. So who would set you up, George Nooks?
The devil. Yeah, man, I do God work. The devil always find some idle smarty. Something. The devil work, you know. People, the devil work. All right.
Nooks pulled from a gig after being charged, but reinstated after fans insisted on seeing him.
I broke down a little, but they was with me all the way, and wherever I choked up, they came up for me. And I must say, blessed love to all of them. It built me up a little until I fell asleep and wake up back and remember what's happening, and then I'm telling you, this is one of them things that, as you say, we go through life, and we just got to think of knowing that it could be worse.
And career-wise, you don't feel that this is going to put a dent in your career?
I am saying no. We're at the studio now getting ready to do a song that will be out very, very soon, and uplift the people them one more time. And all those out there that love George Nooks, and just continue to do that. You know what I mean?
Nooks currently on an $80,000 bond, set to return to court on May 17.
Don't give up the